Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best crimpers that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 10 Best Crimpers. Whether you are a professional electrical contractor or doing some minor DIY around the house, our selection of wire crimpers should include the perfect tool for your next job. Many of these can also double as cutters and offer adjustable dies for a wide range of projects. They can handle network and phone cables when users buy our independently chosen editorial picks. Number 10. Wire Terminal Crimping Toolkit Kaba'ok Ratcheting Wire Crimper. The combination of crimping tool and spade bullet connectors can be widely used to home appliances audio system for battery or rocker switch quick connecting. Main features: easy to use, wide applications, package included. Number 9. Kaba'ok Crimping Toolkit Ratcheting Crimper with 1550 PCs 2.54 mm. It also has a ratcheting mechanism design which can also help you to save energy and strength. It creates a sturdy and perfect crimp for DIY electronics. Main features: high quality, comfortable to use, perfect workmanship. Number 8. Salsop Cable Tester RJ45 Crimp Toolkit Cat5 Cat5e Crimping Tool. Maintains razor sharpness, textured handle grips reduce hand fatigue and prevent slipping during cutting, stripping and crimping. Main features: tester and replaceable, modular connectors, maintains razor sharpness. Number 7. Ferrule Crimping Toolkit Preciva AWG237 Self-Adjustable. This wire crimping tool helps to shorten working hours for electricians, upfitter and builders. Crimping tool peculiarity and compact structure for insulated. Main features: handle design labor, complete crimp tool, durable. Number 6. eWisp Battery Cable Lug Crimping Tool from AWG810 with Cable Cutter. Crimper with high precision jaw ensure tightly connection after crimping with strong work pressure. This tool has widely application in automatic electronics work. Main features: easy operation, durable, ergonomics design. Number 5. Kaba'ok Crimping Tool Ratcheting Wire Crimper for Heat Shrink Connectors. This terminal crimper has a star wheel that you can adjust the handle crimp strength by adjusting the roulette to ensure uniform crimping each time. Main features: heavy duty, vehicle circuit, non-slip design. Number 4. Crimping Tool for Heat Shrink Connectors Ratcheting Wire. The tool has a star wheel that allows to adjust crimping height to ensure the right amount of crimping force depending on your crimping project. Main features: adjustable crimping force, ergonomic comfortable handles, professional crimping tool. Number 3. TrendNet Punch Down Tool with 110 Encrona Blade. The precision blades for the punch-down tool are conveniently interchangeable and reversible between 110 Encrona standards. This network tool is designed. Main features: ergonomic design, diverse usage, manufacturer protection. Number 2. Ubi Gear Cable Tester Plus Crimp Crimper Plus 100 RJ45 Cat5 Cat5e Connector Plug. The LED lights will flash in rotation if all the wires are properly connected, otherwise the corresponding light will not flash. The color of the LED light. Main features: 1-year warranty, 1X wire stripper, properly connected. Number 1. Titan 11477 Ratcheting Wire Terminal Crimper Tool for Insulated Terminals. Quick release lever frees the crimper jaws in any position, and when double crimp is complete a built-in safety measure the handles whenever tool. Main features: double crimping, compound action design, heat shrink connectors. Thanks for watching. To receive every update please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products check the video description.